Dear students, now we are moving towards our next investigation 7.2 part 1, and in this investigation inshallah we will observe the demonstration, the flow of the blood in the capillaries. The apparatus which we are required is a microscope, a saline solution, and a live tadpole or fish. The procedure which we will follow inshallah, first of all we have to place the fish in a petri dish containing enough saline solution to keep the body of fish wet, and examine the tail fin under a microscope. And this diagram inshallah will help you to set the specimen. You can see the fish is in the petri dish, is covered by the wet cotton, and the tail of the fish is covered by the glass slides. This is the label diagram of the specimen. You can see the moist cotton wool covering the fish on the both sides, and the glass slides over the tail fin, and this specimen of fish is placed in saline solution so the fish skin remains wet. We will place these glass slides which are covering the fin of the fish under the microscope to observe the capillaries, how the blood is flowing in the capillaries. When we observe the fin of the fish under the microscope, it looks like this. You can see this is the flow of the blood in the capillaries which are present in the fin of the fish, how the blood is moving in the different capillaries. You can also observe the circular cells, which are the red blood cells flowing in these capillaries. And these capillaries are one cell thick, so they are very helpful for the exchange of material between the tissues, cells and the blood. From this micrograph you can easily observe the flow of the blood in the capillaries of the fin of the fish. Now I'm going to discuss with you the structure of the capillaries. The capillaries are made by the division in the arterioles. When the arterioles divide, they form one cell thick capillaries, and these capillaries are passing through the tissues, and while passing through the tissues they are very helpful for the exchange of material. The oxygen is given off and the nutrients are given off to the cells, and the cells give its waste products, the carbon dioxide and other wastes, into the blood. And these capillaries, when reunite together, they form the venules, and venules combine together and form the veins. For better understanding of the exchange of materials between the blood and the body cells, you can see this label diagram. You can see the oxygen is moving from the capillaries into the blood tissues, into the body tissues, and the carbon dioxide is moving from the body tissues into the blood present in the capillaries. Along with the carbon dioxide, other wastes are also moving from the body tissues into the capillaries, and the nutrients from the blood are moving into the body tissues. In this how the exchange of material is done between the capillary and the body tissues, and the diffusion is the process which helps the whole process mainly. Dear students, the blood of the fish is similar to the other vertebrates. It consists of plasma and cellular components. The cellular components contain the red blood cells and the white blood cells and thrombocytes, and the plasma is a liquid portion and consists of water. Now dear students, I have selected question 1 to 3 from your practical book and the page number 68. You can solve these questions and send to your respective groups. Dear students, thank you very much for being with me. One more request to you, please stay at home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.